Hello and good morning. Welcome back to another morning market opening trade here at Traders Club 24 in the DAX. As always, I'm your host, Maurice Rothwell, international traders trading coach here at Traders Club 24. Today is the 24th of February 2022. Today is marking the day of the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. So we're going to go straight into the markets and we're going to hit off with our opening trade. Here we have the MT4, MetaTrader 4 trading platform. And here in the top right hand corner is our Traders Club SwissBox trading tool. So this is what we're going to be using to open and close all of our trades to activate. And it works pretty simply. If I come into the box here and I click on the box lines, we get these two lines appear in the chart, a green and a red line representing two pending orders. Now, the red line is a sell stop pending order and the green line is a buy stop pending order. And as you can see in the middle, it says 12.5. So 12.5 is the range of points between the two pending orders. Essentially what we're trying to do here is we're trying to trap the market within this short range before we expect any kind of breakout. Hence why we're trading the market opening. As you know, here 9 o'clock in Germany, we see the collision of the cash and the futures market at Frankfurt Stock Exchange opening. And at that moment, the two different prices collide and it sends a bit of volatility through the market. Of course, with the added fundamentals today, is going to be a little bit more volatile, I guess. So yeah, what I'm going to do is we can see these purple lines in the chart. These are big numbers. As you can see, 14,000, 14,100. We consider these to be pivot points in the market price. And exactly what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that purple circle here, and then I'm going to click entry. And what I've done now is I've set a trap in the chart. So now what we're waiting for is we're waiting for the market to fall into the trap and activate it. Once that trap is activated, we will have two pending orders set either side of the box, so at the green and the red line, and then depending in which direction the market opens in will depend in which direction we ultimately are in. So we could be in a long, we could be in a short. The great thing about the SwissBox is that we can activate trades in both directions, so we can be long and short at the same time. The SwissBox will continue to open trades in both directions until we catch that initial breakout in the market. So there's the activation, as we can see. So the box has gone in and now we have two pending orders. And now we've just come out of that box at the red line. And as soon as that happened, we've activated a sell position. And here we get a blue line in the chart. And that blue line is our take profit. The take profit is predetermined due to the settings that we have within the SwissBox. And as you can see right now, as it goes past the blue line, it closes, and that's us out of our first trade. So 3 minutes before the market opening, very, very easy today. As I said, we're due to have a lot of volatility. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be back again tomorrow, and if you want to continue watching, please visit the website TradersClub24.com, and you can join into our morning live trading room sessions or our US market opening live trading sessions. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you very much, and we'll see each other tomorrow morning. Goodbye.
So thank you for watching, guys, and keeping up with our live trading room. If you want to see more content involving a range of different other trading products, please hit that like and subscribe button and we will create for you.